Close your eyes and simply breathe. Feel the whole surface of your body right now, from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet, not with judgment, with ownership. This body, right now, is yours. Every cell of it, every layer, already alive with intelligence, already receiving this signal. Your body already knows what it is becoming. It has always known, and it is becoming that more completely with every breath you take. Your body is not fixed. It is a dynamic, continuously reorganizing system. The estrogen receptors in your adipose tissue, your fat cells, are listening right now. They respond to signal. They respond to state. They respond to the coherent instruction carried in this frequency band and in this voice. The hypothalamic pituitary axis, your master hormonal cascade, is receiving this signal now. Adjusting, refining, directing the chemistry of your body toward its most feminine expression. And the connective tissue, the fascia, the ligaments that give your body its shape and its lift, they remodel continuously. Given the right signal, they become denser, stronger, more supportive. That signal is being sent right now. Now let your awareness move through you, with appreciation, with authority. Your hips, the adipose tissue of your hips and outer thighs, receiving the estrogen signal now. Lipogenic pathways opening. Fat cells in this region, storing, building, rounding into the curve that is yours. The shape deepening, session by session. The hips remembering their fullness. Your glutes, the gluteal fascia, toning. The connective tissue, building density, building lift. The fat beneath, redistributing into fullness and shape. Firm, round, lifted. The body claiming this form as its own. Your waist, the transverse abdominal fascia, cinching. The oblique connective tissue, drawing inward. The definition between hip and waist, becoming more pronounced, more distinct. The feminine silhouette, sharpening into clarity. Your breast tissue, the progesterone receptors, receiving. The suspensory ligaments, building collagen density. The tissue, fuller. The lift, increasing. Cooper's ligaments, strengthening their hold. The shape, becoming more complete with every session. And your skin, from the face below the eyes, across the neck, the chest, the arms, the legs, the entire body. The dermal papilla cells of every unwanted follicle, receiving this signal now. Rest. The follicular androgen receptors, quieting. Their sensitivity, reducing. The hair growth cycle, slowing. Telogen extending. The skin becoming smoother, clearer, more luminous with every passing day. Prostaglandin D2 rising in every follicle that no longer serves the body's most beautiful expression. The surface, refining itself. And the skin itself, the living surface of this body. Keratinocytes, rebuilding with even, luminous texture. The biophotonic field of the whole body, coherent, radiant. Cells speaking to cells, in the language of light. The body organizing itself toward beauty, toward wholeness, toward the form it was always moving into. Rest now. Embrace what has just been initiated. Your conscious mind does not need to manage this. Your estrogen receptors already know how to respond. Your fascia already knows how to build. Your follicles already know how to rest. Your skin already knows how to refine. Every session deepens this reorganization. Every sleep that follows is hours of uninterrupted work. The hips, building. The waist, defining. The breast tissue, lifting. The skin, smoothing. Night by night. Session by session. The body claiming its fullest feminine form. This is not something being done to your body. This is your body being allowed to become what it already knows itself to be, and with each cycle of this out, the signal deepens into every cell, into every receptor, into every layer of this body that is becoming more fully, more beautifully, more completely itself. Each breath carries the instruction into the fascia, into the follicles, into the skin, into the body that already knows. Open your eyes and simply know it is done and accept with joyful gratitude.